Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So for me, it's already open and visible. Just make sure that what you want to capture is visible right now on the screen. Once it is, hold power button, volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with share and edit options visible right here, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application, so that will be under the Google folder, and you can see it right here under the album called Screenshots. So right now it's not really showing albums, it's just showing where it's located at, but you can also tap it in here. Now the reason I'm pointing that out is because once you get a little bit more content here, you'll have, for instance, something like photos and bunch of photos visible right here. There may be below movies and screenshots, or it might just add you like the option right here to access albums. And in albums, obviously, you would be looking for the screenshot album. You can also tap on the text here to view the captured screenshot or the album where you have all the screenshots more like. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.